Let's open the package. Device, extension cable, battery, accessories, plug and cable, quick guide, operation guide. Remove the cover. Input, SD card slot, remote and on mode are all on. Reset button. This is for battery. Connect the device to the power. Turn the switch on. Hold the reset button for 10 seconds until the red light double blink. Open settings. Find the blink Wi-Fi. Enter the password 0123456789. Open the app. Add your device to your home Wi-Fi. Choose 2.4G Wi-Fi. Please check the attention. You must choose Keep the Wi-Fi. Then you can control it remotely.